Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Boeing initiates production of CH47F Block II helicopters for Germany under Luftwaffe fleet replacement program. Boeing has released an image of the first CH47F Block II Chinook helicopter built for the German Air Force, marking the start of production for the program. The aircraft, bearing serial number M1701, is the first of 60 helicopters ordered to replace Germany's aging CH-53GC Stallion fleet by 2030. Deliveries of the CH-47F Block II helicopters to Germany are scheduled to begin in 2027 and continue into the early to mid-2030s. Under prior arrangements, technical personnel training will be conducted by Aerobuilding GmbH, while airframe maintenance will be handled by Lufthansa Technik and engine maintenance for Honeywell T55 engines by Rolls-Royce Germany. Germany's acquisition of the CH-47F highlights a broader shift toward readiness, resilience and interoperability with NATO partners. Countries such as the Netherlands, the United States and the United Kingdom already operate the Chinook, supporting Germany's role in collective defense. The introduction of the new helicopters will also lead to structural changes within the German Air Force. Their headquarters of Helicopter Wing 64 will be relocated from Lofheim to Holzdorf Air Base by October 1, 2026, where one squadron of 12 helicopters will be stationed. The main component of the wing, consisting of 3 squadrons with a total of 47 CH-47F Block II helicopters, will also be based at Holzdorf. This will establish the base as the central hub for Germany's transport helicopter operations. In addition, one Chinook helicopter will be assigned to the Bundeswehr's Technical Center for Aircraft and Aeronautical Equipment, WTD-61, located in Manching. The aircraft will be used for testing, evaluation and certification activities. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology 50.